Hi, my name is Fu Xin and my metric number is AA200953. Good morning to Madam Liana. Today our group 4 will be presenting our program. The title of our program is to generate programming project of any field in C language. Therefore, our group decided to develop a complete library management system. Today, I'm going to present the first part of our introduction, which is the project background. First, what is project background? Project background is an important part of any proposal or any report. It can be very similar to the project justification. In a way, it describes how we develop the idea of our project. A library is a basic infrastructure of each university. There will always be a need for a library to have a library management system because of the demands. It will be easy if each university has a library management system because it could increase the efficiency of the process of a book. The goal of the project is to develop a computerized system to maintain all the daily work of the library. The books stored in the library could be viewed through the system by the librarian. This will make the process of a book become more systematic and easy to implement. Furthermore, it will reduce the workload of a librarian and the manual work of the librarian. The library management system contains modules such as adding the book into the library, view the book in the library, and also the most important part, borrowing the book from the library. The advantages of this system are simple and easy to use. In this case, we will use C programming language to develop our library management system. We will develop the library management system on UTHM Pago only for diploma in information technology students. Thank you for listening. I will pass it to the next presenter.
So my part is to explain about the problem statement in our report, Library Management System. So the first problem statement is file loss. When computer system is not implemented, file is always lost because sometimes due to some human error, there may be a loss of record. And the second, slow process. When the system processes an incoming data, system will be slow to show the output. The system will also delay to search and locate the book. And the third, lack of technology. The system at the library uses many human effort to do some work. Besides, the system also don't have many multifunction that was used at another system. The technology system tools such as computer use the old version and cannot use a good software to handle it. Next, the security. The whole system at the library management is less password protected. Any bad search can be blocked. People who do not any have permission can open it so easily. And the last one is the login. User did not get the user confirmation and directed to our account. Thank you.
Our project have 5 main objectives. First, to locate and search for books quickly. Second, to reduce the amount of time and effort required by humans. Third, to effectively manage all the processes that take place in the library. Fourth, to minimize all the manual effort and control the entire process with only a few clicks and adjustments. Last but not least, to eliminate the hassle and uncertainty of safely keeping data and afterwards looking for any individual records.
Assalamualaikum. In this presentation, I will explain the project scope for our library management project. First of all, this project is for the UTHM Pago Library Management, which is solely for Diploma Information Technology students. The project's goal is to help students pursuing an Information Technology Diploma cope with library management by utilizing technology, especially a library management application that can be operated on a computer. Our team analyzed the problem that students face when they want to use library management in UTHM Pago and produces a minimal required project library management documentation based on which we will be able to agree on the final scope and dates for the project. There are three sections to this project scope, which are as follows. For the project deliverables, our program allows information technology diploma students to find information and borrow books related to the information technology course. Next, for the project acceptance criteria, the project is successful implementation of library management system for UTM Pago Diploma Information Technology students and successful implementation of updated book data for UTM Pago Library. On the other hand, for the project exclusions, students other than the Information Technology Diploma course are not suitable to use this program because the books provided are specifically for students taking the Information Technology Diploma course. Last but not least, for the project constraints, it is students other than UTM Pago campus and students other than Information Technology Diploma courses cannot use this program to find books related to courses other than information technology. The main purpose we choose and focus only students who take the course of an information technology diploma is to make it easier for them to find information and borrow books on information technology courses. That's all from me and thank you. I will pass it to the next presenter.
I have simplified the significance of our project. So, the significance of this project is to help to reduce the load that the University Tun Hussein on Malaysia Library and Studio in managing all the books in the library. This will help in displaying all the books in the library so that the student can use it to learn more about their course subjects.
Assalamualaikum and hello. And for my part, I will be running our program, which is the library management system. And as you can see, here is our startup page. The startup page will be displayed every time we first enter the library management system. And here, the program will ask for our PIN number. You can look for the PIN number in the pin.txt, which is 2020. After entering your PIN number, the program will take you to the homepage of the library management system. In the homepage, it shows that the library management system was only made for information technology diploma students only. And next, this library management system will ask for our full name and also our matrix number. And here we have arrived at the home screen of the library's management system. As you can see, there are 5 functions available, which is 1. View books, 2. Add books, 3. Borrow books, 4. Update password, and also quit function. And let's view books. And as you can see here, these are the list of books that is available inside the library. And when we press continue, and let's go to the add books function. And here we can add our new book. I will add a book named Introduction to IT. And as you can see here, the list of books have been modified. And you can see there are the new books, which is the Introduction to IT books. And when you press this, you can see in the book.txt, they are not updated yet, but when you reopen the file, you can see that the Introduction to IT book has already been updated inside the book.txt. And next is the borrow book function. When you first enter the borrow book function, it will display the list of books that is available in the UTM Pago library. All the list of books available here are the books that the student can borrow by inputting its book code. And when we press continue, the book borrow program will ask the user to input their borrow date, their return date, and also the book code of the books that they wanted to borrow. Every book that has been borrowed for more than 7 days will be counted as overdue, and each day of overdue will be charged 50 cents. So first I inputted our borrow date, which is the 20th of February 2020, and we will return the book on the 5th of March 2020. And I would like to borrow the German language book, which is number 10. And as you can see here, the book borrow receipt. The book borrow receipt will display the book that we have just borrowed, which is the German language book, the book borrow date, which is the 20th of February, and the book return due date, which we supposed to return the book by, which is 26th of February 2020. And here is the return date that I have inputted, which is the 5th of March 2020. And the book has been overdue for more than 9 days, and the total overdue charge is 4 ringgit and 50 cents. But let's run the code again and try inputting our return date before the final return due date. I will input the 12th of May 2021, and I will return it on the 18th of May 2021. I would like to borrow the philosophy book, which is book code 40. And as you can see on the book borrow receipt, it includes the philosophy book, the borrow date, which is the 12th of May, and the return date, which is the 18th of May. But I returned the book on the 18th of May, the same day as the due date, final due date, and they did not display any total overdue charge because I have returned it on time. And for the fourth function is the update password function. As you can see from the pin.txt, our current password is 2020. I would like to update the password to the 2021, and it will display your pin number has been changed. And when we press continue, I will close the pin.txt and reopen it. You can see that the pin.txt has been updated to the 20 and 21. And then lastly is the quit function. The quit function is used when the user no longer wanted to use the library management system program. And there you can see the output when we use the quit function. And that is all for our group presentation. Thank you for watching.